Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in St. Catherine. House number 1. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house is located in Angels Grove in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 1,105 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 20 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living area. Looking past the living area, you can see a glimpse of the dining area. Unfortunately, we don't have a full image. Next is the kitchen. We're then going to take a look at the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. We're now going to move on to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only 2 out of the 3 were shown. Finally, we have the laundry area. And these images are showing to the back of the property. That will then end house number 1. House number 2. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house is located in 7 East, Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 1,500 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 25 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Here we have a single carport. And this is the veranda. We then move on to the living area. Dining area. And this is the kitchen. We now have the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms, however only 3 out of the 4 were shown. We then move on to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. And this is the third bathroom. Lastly, we're going to head to the back of the house. And this would end house number 2. House number 3. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house located in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The square footage of this house is approximately 1,574 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 22.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We're then going to move on to the bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms, however only 1 out of the 4 is being shown. Lastly, we have the bathroom. This house has 2 bathrooms in all, however only 1 is being shown. And that would end house number 3. House number 4. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house found in the gated community of New Harbour Village 2 in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. This house is being sold at a cost of 20 million Jamaican dollars. As we go on the inside, here we have the veranda. Next is the living and dining area. And here is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedroom. This house has 2 bedrooms and only 1 out of the 2 is being shown. Lastly, we have the bathroom. And that would end house number 4. House number 5. This 4-bedroom 2-bathroom house is located in the community of Mount View Estate in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is approximately 7,350 square feet, and it's for sale at a cost of 25 million Jamaican dollars. As we go on the inside, here we have the living area, dining area, and this is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms, however only 1 out of the 4 is being shown. Next we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, and this is the second bathroom. Lastly, we have the laundry area. And here are a few other images just showing the property. That would end house number 5. That also brings us to the end of the video. So if you were interested in any of the houses that were previously shown, I'll be leaving all that information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.